Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Well, it's a big broad face. It's basically potch. It's got a bit of flash up in here. When you grind this top down, you might get a bit better and end up with a stone out of here. And then there's these seams here that might be worthwhile chasing afterwards, but I am getting a nice bright red flash. Oh, there it is there, you can see it's coming through. The other piece is probably just going to be more of a patterned boulder and opal mixed together. There's not much else in it. I've basically thrown it in, but here's a seam here that may well be worth looking at. But basically, like I say, it's only a cheap couple of stones. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.